Are you good, Malik? We have to do
I'm good.
we have to do the content thing. Okay, so are you gonna look at the camera? Are you gonna what? You messed up your camera. Okay,
Can't wait till I see that. Bro, I'll tell you this delay is
turn off
messing me
your
up.
stream. Turn it off.
I need to be able to look at it.
No, you don't. Just turn it off.
Okay, I slid down so that I always see the chats. I will, but I can't hear it. I can't hear it though.
That's fine. All right. What's going on, everybody? I'm Miles.
I'm Malik.
And we're Malik and Miles. And today we are starting what every modern man hates. That's right. We started a podcast.
Let's go, guys. But it's not a podcast. It's our laboratory. Except the only thing we're cooking up is yap, I believe. So now we can yap on our own, or y'all could tell us what do you want to hear us talk about first. It could, and nothing's off limits except for things that we say no to.
So here's the deal. We've been doing social media for about 2 years now. Then grad school started. Grad school's hard. We completely dropped off. And we're giving it one last shot. And so if you want science talk, random trivia, Discord-related nonsense, and learn together, let us know. And we'll do that. And the best way we thought to do that was to start a podcast. We had no other ideas. Did you have anything? Because I don't know why we were driven to this is the last idea, Malik. Did you have any other idea?
My experiments are they're going. So in case they don't go, I'm gonna need this as a backup. So all 7 of you right now, if you are with me, once again, we're gonna do another. We're gonna call this my little chat checks. You know what do we call this? Sampling. Perfect. It's called my chat sampling. If you're with me, let me get a type wristband. Type wristband if you're. I picked something. Type wristband if you're with me.
We are not making it
ideas
to 12 followers. Right now, the goal is 12. I don't even think we're touching double digits.
What, 12 viewers?
12 something.
Okay, we're back down to 5. All right, guys, we need to pump these numbers up. Come on.
All right, so here's what we got going on for today. We're going to choose a random topic that we were thinking about. We're going to discuss it. And so for these podcasts, we have a whiteboard and we have Google. And we're going to learn together. So, in general, we're going to take some topics and just tell you our thoughts as bioengineering PhD students. If my PI ever heard any of this, he'd probably sit me down for a meeting. But hopefully we never get there. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is, what are you looking at?
Just checking out some.
You're on the whiteboard. The first topic for the first topic.
Yeah. I mean, yes. We go. Yes, scientists. What are we?
The first topic for today is we're going to start very easy and do what is bioengineering to your best ability. So the first thing we're going to do is Malik, draw a cell.
Bioengineering. Man, this word's too
okay,
long.
Draw a
cell. Call this BE.
Draw a cell.
A cell?
You're going to draw a cell, and I'm going to pull up a picture of a cell, and I'm going to see how close you got.
That's what we're doing? All right. Okay, so let's go. Hold on. Let's make sure that we got this labeled. So we got cell equals. All right, and so first we're going to start with a nice green. Bam. We're going to crack that egg open.
I'm going to look up a cell in the meantime.
Now there's like a double membrane, so I'm gonna like outline the egg with like another outline. All right, we call that the cell membrane. All right, now this is actually made of a bunch of like lines like that, but I don't have time to do all that. Next, all right, we're gonna go with this big thing in the middle that has DNA. Shout out chat if anyone can tell me what the big part in the middle is. I'm gonna leave it blank on purpose. All right, then we're gonna do a bunch of how we call it in blue. We're gonna do what's called these where you get the little fence going around, and then the fence is gonna turn into like these Wi-Fi signals. You know, it's gonna turn like a little dot at the end. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our dots. We're just gonna sprinkle these all around. This is the black pepper. But I promise, in some of these actually gonna go on the little Wi-Fi router right here. You know what I'm saying? A yolk, almost, technically, but anyone else that got any guesses for what this big circular part of the inside of a cell is? We'll keep going. What else do I need? Oh, this is too hard. Man, we're gonna grab a new color. What other organelles are in there? Man, we got the um. Oh, I almost forgot everyone's favorite powerhouse. Kind of looks like that. It got two O's. Who knows what the powerhouse is? You know, yeah, it's overrated. What else? We got a trash can. We got a nucleus. All right, someone got it in the chat. Okay, great. All right, then we're gonna get a little trash can. It's called a lysosome. It's gonna throw away a bunch of stuff. If no one got it yet, these little blue things. It's called the Golgi body. We're gonna fill that in right there. Helps package stuff. And this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth and rough. Mitochondria. Someone in the chat is on fire. Everyone else needs to wake up. Especially some of my chatters that might still be in school. I know your bosses. Like guys, I want to see some activity. From a couple of y'all.
Time.
That's all we got. Perfect. Now let me see what you got. Oh, that's a little. That's I think I got that exactly.
So what we have here. This is what you can get with a Creative Commons license. What else we got? Next segment.
Man.
So what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to erase this. You're going to say what biology means to you in 6 words.
What it means to me in 6 words?
Yes.
Bro, did good though. That's what I'm saying. I did a great job.
Biology, what it means to you in 6 words.
All right, we're gonna go with and write these out. We're gonna go with DNA.
That's 3 words.
Technically, it's 2 actually, but that's one word. That's one word. That's one word.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go with life.
Why aren't you typing?
It's more interactive. Get in the program. All right. We're gonna go with what does it mean to me? We're gonna go with cell. Actually, cell's a good shout. What else you do with DNA? Watching.
3 words.
What's going on, everybody?
3 words. Focus on the task. 3
I'm
more.
saying hi to chat. What's going on, chat?
3 more.
Maybe chat can give me a word. I don't know.
Chat has no words. 3 more words.
Chat got a word.
Chat does not have a word.
Yeah, give me a word that's
Your
that's
job
biology.
is on the line. Your job is on the line. 3 more words for biology.
About what it means to me? Like
what it means to you.
What it means to me? Genes. They're connected. Let's see what else. What it means to me. You know what? Plants.
What do plants mean to you?
A lot, man. I garden, nature, photosynthesis. Hey, shout out
You are
photosynthesis.
saying biology buzzwords. None of these are personal to you.
What else it means to me, man? Me. Biology is me. Am I right, Chad? I did. What? Well, I
You
did perfectly.
you literally just picked 6 words.
All right, your turn. Let's see you do a better job. Then.
What does biology mean to me? My paycheck, my rent, utilities, uh, snacks, and
Let me take notes on Mal's answer. He said, hold on. You said, let me get this right. You said, so Miles, biology. He said, paycheck,
mm-hmm.
Snacks, my
Rent.
job. Oh, rent.
How many words am I at?
Does my job count as 2?
Yeah. Utilities.
Yeah, utilities. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're at 6.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
All right,
Biology.
guys, we got 2. All right, guys, we got 2 lists of what biology means. All right, who think? All right, let's get a vote. Who thinks Malik's words represent biology, and who thinks
No,
this
that's
guy
not.
over there's
That's not what we
words
said. It was
represent
what biology means to you.
Yeah, but it could mean something to me better than it means to you. I mean, am I wrong?
You. When you wake
Matter
up.
of fact, let's hear from y'all. What does biology mean to you?
When you wake up in the morning, you wake up and think, "Oh, good morning, world! I can't wait to interact with my DNA and plants today." You know what I wake up and think of? Oh God, I wasn't paying my rent. Thank you, biology, for giving me a job.
Let me just activate the money G. We don't have that yet. I don't know what experiments you're running. But last time I checked, your bills is paid for by this and this.
Why are you revealing my project? Erase that. Don't show my project.
They wouldn't know it if you didn't say so. I cannot undo it.
What did you do wrong?
The undo is not working.
Draw over it.
Let me get the.
This is so scuffed.
There we go.
There's still a line.
Now it's lights. That don't even make sense.
Your list didn't make sense in the first place.
This makes more sense than your list.
My list is realistic.
Yes, we did say plants. What we were thinking about. What does biology mean? And I said, some nice textbook stuff. Us as people, the plants. What biology is made out of, and then we got this guy right here.
Don't point at my
list. What biology mean to me? He said, moolah, dinero. Peso.
Are you just drawing a dollar sign every time you come up with a new word?
Yen. I don't know the symbol. Euro.
That is not.
Cent.
So perfect. You got any more?
Euro. I don't know what this looks like. Go try the other way. Chat. This is the euro.
You're just making up symbols.
Chat.
All right, how
we got a DNA symbol. All right, see, we're doing all right.
All right, so what I've gathered from this first stream. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just making sure we're all right, guys.
So I think what we learned from this stream is we definitely need some more catered topics, but let me at least wrap something up for a clip. We will be streaming on a somewhat normal basis. Whether that's once a week or once every 4 years, it's going to be consistent. Stick with us. I promise you'll learn something every stream. Malik, teach him something right now.
Did you know? I see a crab. I see a crab in the chat. Let me show you. Let me draw you what a crab looks like right now. Bam. I'm gonna grab a red. We're gonna hit you with the bam. We're gonna hit you with a bam. Bam. Connect. Connect. We got two little eye stalks. You know what crabs go? Money. Money. And then we're gonna go watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know why? Because crabs are what we call decapods. Deca meaning 10 and pods meaning feet. Did you know that if you actually if you tear two legs off of a crab, it's therefore an octopod. Which looks like this.
Don't rip legs off.
You ever want to turn your crab legs into calamari? Just rip off exactly two legs.
No, squids have 10.
Octopus is also calamari.
No, octopus is not calamari.
I'll see you at the sushi house. Krabby Patties is with a K and Mr. Krab. I don't know who's already in the chat, but they didn't watch SpongeBob. Crab is spelled this with a capital B. Not to be confused with crab, not to be confused with crass, which is an onco-G.
Just because you're...
I'm teaching.
Just because
I'm teaching this money. This oncogene for pancreas. Very bad. Make sure to get checked. There's like checks for your crass. I'm not joking. Look this up.
Thank y'all for tuning in. Malik randomly taught y'all something. We will be doing this again. Check out the full YouTube video. Check out our other content. We have memes. We have facts. We have science lessons. Maybe we'll do some content in our lab if our PI ever gets that approved. He will not. Malik, anything to sign off with?
Man, it's been great, y'all. It's been really fun. Keep out looking at the channel. Maybe one day, Mouth and Screen will stop saying your stream is paused, and I'll remember to click. Remember to click Discord instead, so I'll actually see something funny. But you know what, guys? Thank y'all for coming out. We'll probably do this again real soon. And as always, we'll see you for the next experiment in the laboratory. Next talk about plants. Maybe the next episode.
We have a website. Look there. I put something on the screen.
This guy's doing a promo. Could you believe doing a promo as we end the stream? Look, about end the stream while I'm shaking this around.